Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you for tuning in. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. To my subscribers, thank you for coming back. To my new people, I want to keep you informed. Go ahead and click that subscribe button now. Today's video is going to be real short. So I have been on the Jaguar forums. There are a bunch of them, but I've been on a few of the main ones. And I got to tell you, be careful about the information you find on the Jag forum. Here's why. They'll start out a thread talking about one thing, and within 4 comments into that thread, they're talking about knitting a pair of mittens. I just don't know how it happens, and there's a lot of misinformation about, especially about the Jaguar convertible top repair, the dreaded green shower. Be careful about what you find on the forums. Most of those guys have never done this repair, but they're talking the most about it. Be careful. The instructions that you guys find on YouTube and all over the internet, most of them are not complete. Be careful. If you're thinking that your convertible top isn't working properly because of fuses and relays and all that jazz, chances are you're watching or reading stuff from the forum. Be careful about what you find. You may cause more damage trying to repair the car yourself than paying someone like me to come out who knows what they're doing, who's going to fix it right the first time. And I just want you guys to be careful what you're finding out there on the forums. So if you're in the market and you have problems with your convertible top and you have a 1997 through 2016 Jaguar XK8, XKR, or XK, pick up the phone, give me a call. You'll be doing yourself a great service. I come to you, I offer a 5-year warranty. I'll give you 3 references of cars that I've worked on in the last 30 days. Pick up the phone, give me a call at 888-317-9340. I'll be talking to you guys soon. And I come to you. I don't care where you are in the country. I'll pack my van. I'll get on a flight with my tool bag. I'll make sure that your car is properly repaired the right way the first time. Call me. I'll be waiting to hear from you guys. Talk to you soon.